Jalebi, you are under arrest for damaging human health.
You're arresting me from my own sweet shop?
You fed addiction, obesity, and disease.
I was never warned what sugar could do.
You knew excess sugar destroys the human body.
I was engineered to be sweet, not responsible.
You are guilty of harming human health over generations. Then judge me, but don't forget why I exist. If you believe balance matters more than blame, like, share, and support this story.
These AI YouTube junk food arrest videos are one of the newest viral YouTube Shorts niches right now, and they're exploding insanely fast. Very few people actually know how to create AI junk food arrest videos the right way and make them go viral. Most creators are just copying random clips without understanding the strategy behind them. But after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to create viral AI YouTube junk food arrest videos step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Now listen carefully. If you think you can go viral just by uploading these AI videos, then I need to stop you right here, because that's where most new creators get it wrong. The biggest mistake beginners make is not setting up their YouTube channel properly before posting AI shorts. And that's why in this tutorial, you're not only going to learn how to generate viral AI YouTube junk food arrest videos, but I'll also show you secret YouTube channel settings and branding strategies that massively increase your chances of going viral, even with your very first short. So before we create anything, let's first understand why AI junk food arrest YouTube shorts are exploding right now. The first reason is engaging storytelling. These videos aren't random visuals, that they follow a clear, dramatic story. Junk food committing a crime, getting arrested, and being exposed in a fun, exaggerated way. That storytelling keeps viewers watching till the end, which boosts watch time and retention. The second reason is custom branding. Custom branding is what separates viral AI YouTube channels from low-quality, mass-generated AI content. If you don't brand your videos properly, YouTube may treat your content as repetitive or low effort, and that kills reach. You'll notice that in my videos, I consistently use Zapiwala AI branding. This makes every short instantly recognizable, unique, and algorithm friendly, which is exactly what we want. That's why before creating any AI junk food arrest video, the very first step is setting up the right YouTube channel name for branding, because your channel name becomes the foundation of your entire AI YouTube strategy. To do this, I use a simple channel name prompt. You can change the number 5 to however many name ideas you want to generate. Just paste this prompt into ChatGPT and it will instantly generate 5 viral YouTube channel name ideas, perfectly optimized for the AI junk food arrest videos niche. You can choose any one of these channel name ideas, and if you don't like them, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate 5 more AI YouTube channel names. But personally, I like the first name, so I'm going ahead with AI Junk Food Arrest as my channel name. From now on, I will brand every single video with this name only, because consistency is the key when you want to grow a viral AI YouTube Shorts channel. Now that our channel name and branding are locked, the next step is the most important part of this entire process. We now need to create a viral junk food arrest story, generate AI images for all scenes, convert those images into viral AI video clips. And to make this process simple and repeatable, I've already created a junk food arrest theme engineered master prompt. You don't need to think or write anything from scratch. You simply need to copy this master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now watch and listen very carefully, because this step alone decides whether your AI YouTube shorts will go viral or not. Inside the master prompt, you'll see a few placeholders. We need to fill them very carefully. First, you'll see the placeholder called food item topic. Here, you need to enter the junk food name that your entire video will revolve around. For example, let's say we want to get KFC chicken burger jailed for harming human health. So in the food item topic placeholder, we'll enter KFC chicken burger. Next, you'll see the placeholder called food origin location. Here, you need to enter the location from where the food item gets arrested. Let's say we want the KFC chicken burger to be arrested directly from a KFC restaurant. So in this placeholder, we'll enter KFC chicken restaurant. Now comes the third and most important placeholder, custom branding. Here, you need to enter your YouTube channel name, so your branding appears naturally inside every scene. In my case, I'll enter AI junk food arrest. Once you've filled all three placeholders, simply hit the send button, and within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate copy-paste ready AI image prompts and video prompts, complete with scene-wise dialogues for the entire junk food arrest story. Now let me show you how to turn these prompts into actual visuals. First, copy the image prompt for scene 1, then open gemini.google.com. Click on the Create Image button and make sure you've selected the Pro option for the best quality results. Now, paste the image prompt for scene 1. Here's a very important thing most people miss. Since we're creating YouTube Shorts, we need vertical images. So at the end of the prompt, add -AR 9 to 16. This ensures Gemini generates perfect vertical images optimized for shorts. If you ever want to create horizontal long-form videos, you can simply change the ratio to 16 to 9. Now hit send. It will take a few seconds. And bingo! Your scene 1 image is ready. You can clearly see that the KFC chicken burger is being arrested inside the KFC restaurant itself, which makes the story feel realistic, engaging, and viral friendly. Using the exact same method, copy the image prompt for scene 2, paste it into Gemini AI, add -AR 916 and hit send. Within a few seconds, bingo again. Now you have scene 2, where the KFC chicken burger is being taken to the police station for interrogation. Similarly, you can generate images for all remaining scenes one by one using the same process. Now, before I convert these scenes into viral AI video clips, I know many of you have been continuously asking one important question. How do we remove the Gemini watermark without cropping the video? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Now let's quickly remove the Gemini watermark without cropping and without paying anything. Simply open google.com and search for Gemini AI watermark remover. From the search results, click on the first link. Once the website opens, just upload the scene image that has the Gemini watermark. As soon as the image is uploaded, the tool will automatically remove the watermark for you. Now, simply download the watermark-free image. This tool is 100% free. You don't need to pay a single penny. Using the same method, you can remove the watermark from all scene images. Now it's time to convert these images into viral AI video clips. To do that, simply visit Grok Imagine. This tool allows you to generate image to video clips for free up to a limit. And once you reach that limit, you can simply create a new account using a temporary email service. Now let's convert scene 1 into a video. First, upload your scene 1 image into Grok Imagine. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Paste that video prompt directly into Grok Imagine. Now, here's a very important step, and this is where most people mess up. We must make sure that the right character speaks the right dialogue. So simply edit the first dialogue line like this, then edit the second dialogue line like this. This step is crucial. If you skip this, Grok Imagine may generate the video with incorrect characters speaking the dialogue, which ruins the entire short. Once you've done this, hit the send button. Within a few seconds, your first video clip is ready. Before previewing it, you must upscale the video. Click on the 3 dots, then select Upscale. Within a few seconds, your video will be upscaled, and you'll see the HD badge, which confirms it's done. Now let's preview the clip.
KFC chicken burger, you are under arrest for damaging human health.
What? I was just being served here.
Using this exact same workflow, you can generate and upscale all remaining scene clips. Now comes editing. Open your favorite video editor, import all video clips, and drag them onto the timeline in the correct sequence. Next, select all clips and scale them to 105% so they perfectly fit the screen. Now click on transitions and add a fade transition to all clips. If you're using Filmora, set the transition duration to 13 frames. If you're using CapCut, set it to 0.5 seconds. Once transitions are applied, add a like and subscribe element to boost engagement on your AI YouTube Shorts. After editing is complete, export the video. Make sure your channel name is included in the export file name. Set the resolution to 2160 by 3840 and quality to high. Finally, hit export and bingo. Your first AI junk food arrest YouTube short is ready. Let's preview the final version.
KFC chicken burger, you are under arrest for damaging human health.
What? I was just being served here.
You caused addiction, obesity, and illness. I never chose to be addictive. You knowingly harmed hearts and lives.
I was engineered for taste, not for mercy.
You are guilty of destroying human health. Please, don't erase me forever. If you believe even I can change, please like, share, and support this video.
Now here's the truth most people won't tell you. If you think publishing this short alone will make it viral, you're wrong. Your channel must be properly set up, and your short needs viral plus SEO optimized metadata. Before I show you advanced channel setup for first short virality, let's first generate high-CTR metadata. To do this, simply use this metadata prompt. Enter the food item name in the placeholder and hit send. Within seconds, it will generate a high-CTR title for AI YouTube Shorts, an SEO optimized description, and viral hashtags for maximum reach. You can use this metadata to publish your first short, but wait, do not publish yet. Before posting anything, you must warm up your new channel. The ideal warm-up time is 48 to 72 hours. If you can't wait that long, then at least 24 hours is mandatory. During the warm-up period, first generate and set up a profile picture. Simply use this ChatGPT prompt, replace the channel name, and bingo, your channel profile picture is ready. Next, set up your channel cover image. Use this prompt in Gemini AI, enter your channel name, and your banner is ready. Now comes viral plus SEO optimized channel setup that includes channel description, channel tags, channel category. You can generate all of this using one prompt inside ChatGPT. Just enter your channel name in the prompt to generated channel description, channel tags, and channel category for your YouTube channel. As you can see, I've already set channel name, channel username, profile picture, cover image, channel description. Channel description helps YouTube to understand what your channel is about, decide who should see your videos, classify your channel in its internal topic graph. Remember, YouTube does not rely only on video titles, it builds a channel level understanding. If you want to target high RPM USA audience, set your channel country to United States. Yes, you can do this even if you're outside the USA. Just make sure when setting up AdSense, you enter your real location there. Also add SEO optimized channel tags. People say tags don't matter anymore. That's a half truth. Tags help YouTube disambiguate your niche and also escape cold start. Channel tags also strengthen topic association when data is low. For new channels, tags matter more, not less. They basically tell YouTube, hey, this is the universe I belong to. Next, go to Advanced Settings, enable Don't Show Potentially Inappropriate Words. Then go to Feature Eligibility, verify your mobile number to enable intermediate features, complete video verification to unlock advanced features. Next, go to Upload Defaults, then Advanced Settings. Set category to entertainment, set video language, title, and description to English, United States. Then go to Community Moderation, enable. Hold comments with hashtags and URLs for review. Once all this is done, your channel setup is complete. Now the most important thing during warm-up. From this new account, watch 30 to 40 shorts from the same niche. Try to watch them fully. Like some, not all. Subscribe to 8 to 10 similar channels. For the next 24 to 48 hours, do all browsing activity from this account only. This allows metadata to propagate, channel to exit blank state, YouTube systems to index your channel properly. Once your channel is warmed up, only then publish your first short. Do not rush to publish the first short immediately. I've shared a more detailed warm-up and setup guide in another video. Check it from the I button. Due to time constraints, I won't work on this newly set up channel myself. If you want to work on it, leave a comment below. The comment with the most likes in the next 7 days will get the chance to work on it. If you watch this AI YouTube junk food arrest tutorial till here, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me your feedback in the comments. Let's target 1,000 likes on this video to unlock the next viral AI video tutorial. And if you want to work in a zero competition niche, you cannot afford to miss the AI animal train journey niche. See you inside that tutorial.